Hello and welcome back to another video from the Flaming channel. In this one I'm going to show you how to install plugins onto your Bukkit server. Now get your Bukkit server and I'll show you the best plugins to get your to put on your Bukkit server so it can be as awesome as my server. So first you want to open up browser and okay, you just open up the browser, and I put the links in the description so you guys can find everything. So we would want to go to bukkit.org/plugins. Now just waiting and go get plugins. Now first thing we would want to get is essentials. We want to get essentials, and basically if you want a server, like if you've played on server, that's basically all you'll need. So you'll get this one right here, Essentials 2.9.2. So you click on that, and you download the core download, or that's what you download. Essentials core download or whatever. Oh, you also want group download. Don't want the EX, don't get the EX. Essentials core and group manager. So download this one and this one. I have it already downloaded, so you can do that part yourself. So then the next thing we would want is to open up your downloads, and open up your downloads like this, and also open up your Bukkit server. There you go. And open the plugins folder. And I already have some plugins in here. Essentials and Group Manager. Now I'll show you in this one also how to set up permissions, which is basically, if you've played a server, it's like admin, moderator, whatever. So that is why we downloaded Group Manager. Essentials EX is just extras, which you don't really need, but it's really fun if you get it. But Essentials alone is very fun. So where is it? Looks like I do not have it here. Well then, I'll go download it like you guys. So then download both. And download. There you go. And both should be downloaded. Right here. Now, in this one, see, I have Group Manager, and I have Essentials right here. Now, don't open it up. It's not like the the Minecraft.jar. You have to be outside of it. You open this one with 7-zip or WinRAR, and you'd go like this and drag it into the plugins. I already have it, so I don't want to overwrite. And then with the GM, you'd do the same and get all of those. And voila. And then you have your essentials, and I'll show you how to do the permissions, because on YouTube you're not going to be able to like find the permissions. Like, it's going to be kind of hard to find a really good permissions, and also how to be able to make a market. So you want to go to Group Manager, and you want to go to worlds, and then world, and then users. Oh wait, no, not users. This users is like default, but groups is the permissions. And you don't want to open up with Notepad or look like that. You want to open up with Notepad++, which I think you can go download yourself, but I'll put in the description. So this is basically, for my memory, you go, well, first of all, to change someone's rank, first of all you would OP yourself, but then you go man, you add, and then the person's name, well, not their actual name, but their Minecraft username. Like mine is McFlyGuy86U, and then you'd write owner, because I'm the owner. And if you go to my server, you will see that. So now you have your default people. I did build it true. First of all, if you want the prefix right here, I'm not going to go into too depth, but into deep with this individual one, but there is videos online that you can have, you can go watch, and it'll go in depth. So this one really default, I put civilian, and you want to do that under prefix and put the brackets. And this is just the color of green. So wait, no, the color isn't green. This one's blue, and one is blue. Then you go to your builder, you go soldier. That's what I put. And then for moderator, I put a noble, and there you go. You change that, and then you go down to admin. I put governor, so an admin's a governor. But this one is what you want to write when you want to add. So you do man you add, and then the person's thing, and then you'd put admin, not governor, but admin. But the prefix is just what you would see when they talk, and then owner. And then here permissions. You can go find a tutorial online that goes in depth, but build true for default, and kill, of course. But then if you have builder, you can have plugins like special inheritance and accessing and blah blah blah. Now new, okay, now that's now that's set. Next you would want to, well, mainly that's the permissions, but then the next you would want to do is you want to have a market, right? So you go to essentials, and then you would go to config, and you do you want to press it, then do it. Okay, edit with Notepad. And here is mainly, this is the key to everything right here. This is the player commands, everything right there. You can look at all the player commands, tools, whatever. And this is enable signs, which you'll want to make a market with. So you would go like this. Mainly you would delete this if you want to activate it. See, it turns black, and then you go like that. You just backspace so you don't complicate anything. Mainly you want to have it in a line so nothing gets messed up. And then, so I enabled signs, so color, balance, buy, sell, trade, and free. And also you want to enable the warps. I think that's default. Enchant and protection. I did protection, but I'm not sure how to set up protection. Like a classified protection, like for potions, and you can throw it on the ground. I've not finished that yet. Now that is how you that's mainly it with everything. For some reason I'm okay. No, okay. And that's basically it. If this really helped, please like or subscribe if you want to be in tune with much more helpful videos along the way. And thanks for watching, and I'll go more in depth with some of these, and so you can watch later.